Hello everyone, this is Yakuro with another Unreal Engine tutorial, and in this episode we will have a look at the UPROPERTY macro and cover the following specifier. EditFixedSize. The EditFixedSize specifier is used to mark a dynamic array as fixed size, which means that the size of the array cannot be changed in the editor anymore. Of course, we can change the size in the C++ level, but that's it. And also, after using this specifier on a property, we set the size of the array fixed, but we are still able to change the contents of this array. Now, what would be the use case for this specifier? For example, one would be let's say in some games, you know how characters can equip different stuff like weapons, armor, or accessories, right? Well, now imagine you're creating a game like that. You want to make sure that each character has a specific number of equipment slots. That's where this specifier comes really in handy. So it lets you to use a fixed size array to represent those slots, so you can ensure that the character always has the right amount of slots for the gear. Okay, so let's make an example. In our example, I will just use an fname. You can imagine you can use an structure that represents your your accessory slots or your weapon slots and so on. But we just use fnames, some names, Genghis, my real name, and Yakuro, and then UPROPERTY. Of course, we want to expose now this editor, this property to the editor. Let's compile this. And go to the editor. So I prepared already the blueprint version of our class. Now we should see those two items being shown here. Let me switch off the tooltips. So we can see here Genghis and Yakuro, and as you can see, we can we can add here now items, or we can delete them, and that is what we want to prevent. To do that, we use this EditFixedSize. So let's build again. And now you will see that those two icons will actually disappear. And they're gone. So we can change the names here. For example, Kevin. So we are able to change the contents, as I mentioned. And of course, the size we can still change here in the editor level. C++ level. Let's add Paul here and compile. Maybe, let's see. Yeah, so here now we have the three items, and still we cannot add new or delete items from within the editor. Okay, so that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and hopefully seeing you in the next one.